Ever watched a spy movie and seen the hero access a secret, numbered bank account in Switzerland? It's the ultimate symbol of wealth, secrecy, and international intrigue. But what's the real story behind these mysterious accounts? Are they just for spies and billionaires hiding their fortunes? Let's pull back the curtain on the hidden world of numbered bank accounts. First, let's bust a major myth. A numbered account isn't completely anonymous. Your identity is still known to a select few senior bank officials. Think of the number as a code name, instead of using your name on daily transactions and statements. This number is used to protect your privacy from the general staff and prying eyes. It's an extra layer of confidentiality, not a magic cloak of invisibility. So, if a government agency with a legitimate court order comes knocking, the bank will absolutely disclose who owns the account. So why would someone want one? The primary reason has always been privacy. Imagine you're a world-famous celebrity, and you just want to buy groceries without the transaction details leaking to the press. Or perhaps you live in a country with political instability, and you're worried about your assets being unfairly targeted or seized. A numbered account offers a shield, a way to conduct your financial life with a degree of discretion that a standard account simply provide. It's less about hiding from the law and more about hiding from public view. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, Switzerland. Why is Switzerland so famous for these accounts? It all goes back to the Swiss Banking Act of 1934. This law made it a criminal offense for a Swiss bank to reveal a client's identity without their consent, except in specific legal cases. This created a haven for legitimate assets, offering unparalleled stability and privacy. It wasn't designed for criminals. It was designed to protect ordinary people from the turmoil that was engulfing Europe at the time. Switzerland's long history of political neutrality and economic stability made it the perfect safe harbor. However, the world has changed dramatically since 1934. The era of absolute banking secrecy is largely over. In the wake of global efforts to combat money laundering and tax evasion, international agreements have been put in place. The most significant of these is the Automatic Exchange of Information, or EOI. Today, over 100 countries, including Switzerland, automatically share financial account information with each other for tax purposes. This means that if you're a citizen of one participating country and hold an account in another, your home tax authority will be automatically informed about it. So, does this mean numbered accounts are obsolete? Not entirely, but their purpose has shifted. They are much rarer now and are certainly not the tool for tax evasion they once were. Getting one is also incredibly difficult. You can't just walk into a Swiss bank and ask for a numbered account. Banks have become extremely selective. You typically need to be an existing, high-value client with a proven track record. You'll undergo intense scrutiny and background checks. The bank needs to be absolutely certain that your funds are from legitimate sources. Plus, these accounts often come with very high minimum deposits. We're talking millions and substantial annual fees. The modern numbered account is less about hiding money and more about prestige and enhanced personal service. It's a premium product for ultra-high net worth individuals who value the utmost discretion in their personal and business dealings. The number acts as an internal reference that limits who within the bank can see the client's full details, providing peace of mind against internal data leaks or social engineering attempts. It's a bespoke service for a very exclusive clientele. Let's look beyond Switzerland. Other places like Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, and some Caribbean nations also became known for banking privacy. However, just like Switzerland, these jurisdictions have also had to adapt to new international transparency standards. The global financial system is now more interconnected than ever, and the pressure to comply with anti-money laundering regulations is immense. The idea of a completely secret offshore account where you can stash undeclared cash is now firmly in the realm of fiction. Regulators are smarter, technology is better, and international cooperation is the new norm. So, to sum it all up, numbered bank accounts are real, but they're not the anonymous get-out-of-jail-free cards portrayed in movies. They were originally created to offer legitimate privacy and protection. Today, due to global regulations like the AEOI, they offer limited protection from government agencies but still provide a high degree of personal confidentiality. They are rare, expensive, and reserved for the financial elite who pass rigorous background checks. The mystique remains, but the reality is far more regulated and transparent than you might think. The world of secret money has had to come out of the shadows. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of finance. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.